Twinmotion is a fantastic tool for real-time visualization, but it can crash if your system isn't optimized. In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips to make Twinmotion more stable and crash-free. Let's dive in. First, always keep your Windows operating system updated. Updates bring bug fixes, driver support, and system stability improvements that directly affect how Twinmotion performs. To do this, go to Windows Update in your settings, check for updates, install everything available, and restart your machine. A lot of crash issues disappear simply by running the latest version of Windows. Second, make sure Twinmotion is using your dedicated graphics card and not the weaker integrated graphics. Go to Windows Settings, then System, Display, and Graphics. From there, find Twinmotion in the program list. Click Options and select High Performance. This forces Windows to always run Twinmotion on your main GPU, giving you maximum rendering power and preventing stability issues. Third, update your motherboard BIOS. This step might feel technical, but it can make a huge difference. The BIOS controls how your hardware components communicate, CPU, memory, and GPU included. An outdated BIOS can cause instability or even prevent Twinmotion from using your GPU properly. Go to your motherboard manufacturer's website, download the latest BIOS version for your model, and follow the instructions carefully. With an updated BIOS, your system becomes more stable and better prepared to handle Twinmotion's demands. Fourth, keep your GPU drivers fresh. But don't just install updates over old drivers. Instead, use Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU. DDU completely removes old driver files that might cause conflicts. After using it, install the latest driver directly from NVIDIA or AMD. This clean installation ensures your GPU and Twinmotion communicate properly, reducing crashes and boosting stability.
Finally, let's fine-tune Twinmotion itself. Tweaking the settings can dramatically improve stability, especially if your system struggles with larger projects. Here are the steps. First, go to Preferences, then Settings, then Graphics Hardware Support. If you are using an older GPU, choose DirectX 11. If your card supports it, switch to DirectX 12 for better performance. Next, turn off motion blur. While it looks nice, it adds extra strain to your graphics card and can lead to unnecessary crashes. Still under Preferences, go to Quality. Set the quality to medium when working so your machine isn't overloaded. Then, when you're ready for final lighting and rendering previews, you can switch to High or Ultra. For my setup, I use NVIDIA DLSS Super Resolution set to Performance with DLSS frame generation turned off because my GPU doesn't support it. But if your GPU does, you should definitely enable frame generation for an extra boost. And that's it! 5 practical steps to make Twinmotion more crash-free and stable. Keep your Windows and BIOS updated. Set Twinmotion to use your dedicated GPU. Install clean drivers with DDU. And tweak your Twinmotion settings for the best balance between performance and quality. If you follow these tips, you'll notice a big improvement in stability and fewer crashes while working. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with other Twinmotion users.